Hey guys, good morning. So I have been getting ready to leave. I have an appointment at 9. I'm kind of excited but nervous at the same time. I'm gonna go to European Wax Center and I haven't gotten a Brazilian wax in a long time. So I made an appointment yesterday and they have one for today at 9. So I am about to go. I have plenty of time. I don't know exactly where it's at. I've never been there before. Like I said, I already have my seatbelt on. You see, look at me. So it's 8:15. It's at 9. So I'm gonna try to get there as soon as possible. It's supposed to be maybe like 30 minutes away. So hopefully there is no traffic or anything like that. It's Saturday morning, so I think I'll be okay. But yeah, so let's go because I don't want to waste any time. I don't want to be late. Alrighty, you guys, so not as bad as I thought it was gonna be, or from what I remember, unless you just did a really good job. But it was not. I don't even feel pain right now. So other times I feel like as soon as I walk out, like it is so painful, but no, I was like, am I gonna regret it after this? But I don't. I'm gonna go to Chick-fil-A. There's one right here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go. It's almost 10. Almost though, so it didn't take that long. My appointment was at 9. So yeah, my husband's gonna be on his way home, so I'm gonna just go ahead and get like the chicken nugget tray from Chick-fil-A. Has like 30 chicken nuggets and stuff. Haven't eaten anything besides drink coffee. I got this one. It's called the Smooth and Refine Paradise Strut Body Polish. It's to exfoliate. She said I could use it anywhere. Oh yeah, it does say that. You know, I got it mainly because I also have like these little bumps on my arms, and I've always had them like for a long time. I haven't really tried anything specific for it, so I don't feel like I've given it like a try basically to remove them or to take them off. It does feel like a bunch of little bumps. I don't know if they're considered like ingrowns or if it's just, I don't know what it is, but it's not that bad. It's not like noticeable. You can't see them. They're not red or white or anything. You can probably see them a little bit, but not that much. So I don't feel like, you know, it's like an emergency or anything. So I guess that's why I've never really tried to remove them. I've used an exfoliator that I used on my face before, and it does smooth them out, but not for long. Like they come back. So I want to try this one since it's specifically for that, you know, for exfoliating your body. And it's called Body Polish. I will also recommend going to a real wax place. Don't go to a nail salon to get your waxes, you guys, because I don't know, I just don't trust it. Maybe if you found one that's like really good and clean and stuff, but I would recommend just a wax center. I got my food. There's like no space here to like stop and put your things away or anything. Guys, so I'm home already. We already ate. My husband already left. I'm heating up my coffee for the second time because I didn't finish it earlier. I have a little bit left, but I still have some. Well, it's not that little, kind of a bit. But yeah, so I'm about to take a shower in a bit just because, you know. So I'm leaving again one more time for today. I have to go pick up my husband's jeans from the dry cleaner, and I couldn't go after I went to my appointment because right after I went to Chick-fil-A, and then my husband was about to get home. So by the time I got here, he got here like 5 minutes later. He only has an hour and a half or so to eat, so I don't want him to wait on me for too long. But hold on, let me put you somewhere. Oh, I was gonna tell you guys, I took a shower right now and I tried the exfoliator. I also tried it on my arms. They do feel a little bit smoother, but I just did it, and I don't expect to see like results in one day, but it does exfoliate your skin. You can tell that it's pretty smooth. You know how sometimes you use an exfoliator on your face and you can immediately feel that your skin gets smoother? That's how my arms feel. I also used it on my legs. Great. I also use it on my legs because it's for body, it's for anything. So I use it on my legs, I use it on my arms, and yeah, I decided to put shorts on right now because it got a lot hotter and I was wearing jeans. But things away really fast. I have it. Oh great, that sucks. This is the foundation that I just bought. I'm about to put it away. It's fine, it didn't break. No, okay. It's the Born This Way foundation. It comes with a little sponge here. So here's where I put the products that I am going to use. I also keep my lipsticks here. So in the second drawer, I put my lipsticks all right here, liquid lipsticks, lip glosses, ColourPop, and then these are empty bags. This one also has some lipsticks in here, and then I keep my MAC glitters on this, inside this little Urban Decay box. So they're little, there. So I just have a few glitters of those. And then in this little box right here, I have some palettes that I want to do videos on. This one is the Natasha Denona Sunrise. I did do a tutorial using this one, but I want to use it again. I haven't done a tutorial with this one. I put it back in the box. I just like to keep it new until I use it. And then I'm going to do eye swatches and a video, like a try on or like something, a review or something on the Iconic by Milan Rowe. Yeah, so these are the products that I keep here. I also have this one here because I just did a tutorial. I've only done one tutorial with it, so I'm gonna keep it there so I remember to use it again. And then after that, they go in my palette drawer. But I'm gonna stick this right in here because I need to use these next. So that is where I keep my new stuff that I want to use for videos. I'm about to leave to go pick up the groceries that I need to put. I think it's going to be way too heavy. Maybe not. Okay, that's good. I'm about to go pick up the groceries. I placed my order. I need to check in right now. And then I do the Walmart pickup all the time. What else? Okay, so yeah, I'm on my way. I look a mess. I need to really fix my hair. Let me put my phone right here. Okay, so I'm on my way now. I just threw away the trash. I'm gonna have to walk to it. So I'm on my way to pick up the groceries. All I've been doing today is basically cleaning. It's one of those Mondays that I'm cleaning. Actually, well, right now I'm cleaning the fridge. And I haven't finished the freezer. I don't do that all the time. Obviously, it's the fridge. Like, who cleans the fridge every week? Or maybe you do. I don't know, but I don't. So this time I did clean it out because we're getting a lot of food that we're going to make at home. So I bought groceries. I bought things like vegetables, fruits, healthy snacks, like fish, you know, things like that, rice. So things like that that we can make at home. We do buy things to eat a lot, especially for like the time that my husband comes home to eat lunch. This time, I don't know how we're gonna do it. I don't know if we're gonna cook at night and then eat that leftover, like that same type of dinner for the next day for lunch. Working out, and we're trying to eat better because we stopped doing that and we've been eating like just whatever we wanted. But since we're going back to going to the gym and things like that, you know, we wanna make it work, we wanna make it count. So of course we're gonna try to eat better again. Fruit, I got grapes, strawberries, berries, some rice pudding over there, Philadelphia cheese, milk, some eggs, pineapple, right here, all vegetables. We got kale, spinach, lemon, green beans, carrots, more vegetables, onion, tomatoes, and then more green over here. Corn, asparagus, cucumber, the almond milk, things that we already had. These are just cold waters, cheese up there, some jelly that we already had, some things that we already had. These are the waters that I put in Lexi's water, and then some milk that we still have. Still have to put some things in the freezer, but I need to take some of these things out. So finished out the freezer. I mean, I took out everything that we weren't going to keep, except for the corn dogs. I still have some corn dogs in the box, so I'm about to organize it in here, but this is basically what needs to stay in here, especially these before they melt. These we already had before we decided not to eat any more sugar, so I'm gonna try those, sugar-free supposedly. But now I finished the bottom. Everything is neat. I cleaned and wiped everything inside. We do have these cabinets here. They open up just like this. Okay, you guys, I am completely done with the cleaning that I have to do today. It's actually past 4 right now, so I am not gonna have any time to clean. You see, I'm traumatized now. I'm not gonna have any time to film that Too-Faced video. So the great news about that though is that tomorrow I will have all day to film my makeup videos. Today was obviously not a day like that, but I was finally able to do the fridge, which was something that I had on my mind that I really wanted to do. And now we have our groceries there, so got that out of the way too. The kitchen is pretty much clean now. I took out the things from the freezer, as you saw, vacuum everything here. So now throughout the week, I won't have to do that much. The only thing that I have on my mind still that I want to do is clean out the bathroom. I have a cabinet underneath the sink where I have some of my clothes, but I need to take some things out that I don't wear anymore, and then also check my closet again, like do another refresh. I did it not too long ago, but you know how you always think you might use something, so you keep it. Well, I need to go through that clothes again and just see like, okay, what am I really not using? So I might film that, but that will be for another vlog. Today's vlog has been super long. I hope you guys are enjoying seeing a little bit more of my life and what I do throughout the day while I am not filming or editing or anything like that. Yesterday was a full editing day, so it's not like I did anything, which is why I didn't vlog. But yeah, this is what I end up doing on the days that I don't work on my YouTube makeup videos. But now I'm not only doing the makeup videos, I'm also doing these lifestyle vlogs. So basically I'm filming all the time. So now I have a lot to edit. That is it for today's video, you guys. Again, I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think about these vlogs, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
The experiment.